Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Dadoy Donel Tabulok. I am 37 years old. My height is 157 centimeter. I am married. I have 3 children. I am high school graduate. I have work experience in Singapore for 5 years with 2 employers. First year 2013 to 2016. There are 2 members of the family, 2 adults. The duties is cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and car washing. Second, there are 5 family members in the family. The duties is cooking, cleaning, washing car, washing clothes, ironing. I am willing to take care of pets, children, infant. I am willing to cooking, do cleaning, car washing. I am willing to share job with another Filipino and Indonesian helper. I am willing to share room with other family members with another helper. I can also sing a lullaby. I hope, ma'am, sir, you will hire me. Thank you.